everyone, welcome back to Diane's World. I am going to show you how to make cake pops. Remember to always start with clean hands. I will be using this styrofoam to put up my cake pops. This is just a regular styrofoam from one of the packages I have received. I just kept it. And also I will be using these sticks. They're like lollipop sticks. I'm not sure what they're called, but they are perfect for the cake pops. Also, I will be using leftover cake from the previous cake that I baked. This cake is strawberry and chocolate. And to decorate, I will be using dark chocolate, white chocolate, and pink chocolate. We will also be using sprinkles. I love these sprinkles, they're so colorful and beautiful. So what I have here is my cake mix, and what we need to do is to crumble it up into smaller crumbs so it's easier for it to stay in a ball when we roll it into a ball. This particular mix has icing and dulce de leche. If you don't know what dulce de leche is, it is a confection from Latin America made from sweetened milk. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. I think it's dulce de leche. I live in Argentina, and from what I can tell, Argentinians love it a lot. And it is on almost everything. So I decided to put it in my cake as one of the layers, and it just worked perfectly. It's sweet, it's sticky. Usually just ice and sugar is used to make cake pops, but I decided to experiment with dulce de leche, and I like the results. Once you feel that it is sticking together, you try to form a ball, and you can do that by just rolling it in your hands until it looks something like this. It should be smooth and even on all sides if possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it helps. And now you can make as many balls as you can. So once you are done, your balls should be looking something like this. They should be round just like that. And then we will just put them aside while we put together our decoration equipment. As always, we will begin by cleaning our station. Always clean up your station. And here is my styrofoam where I will be putting the cake pops. Make sure it is stable and it can stand. I have 9 sticks and sprinkles, and we also have the chocolate. We have our dark, our white, and our pink. Once we have everything, we are all good to go. The next step is to take the stick and dip it into the chocolate. You want to be careful not to stick it in all the way to the other side, because this will break it. You want to put it in just enough to the center. And now I will repeat the process with all the other sticks. I will be making 3 sticks with dark chocolate, 3 with white chocolate, and 3 with pink chocolate. This is what your cake pops should look like when you are done putting in the sticks. Before you decorate, I recommend putting the pops in the fridge for a few minutes. This will just make sure that the stick is properly stuck in there and the chocolate has finished hardening. I will show you how to decorate the cake pops. All you have to do is to dip it in the chocolate. If you have a taller, thinner glass, that would be better. All that matters is that you completely coat the cake pop in chocolate. And then you just tap the glass to get excess chocolate off, and you are left with something round like this. And then you can decorate with the sprinkles or anything else you have. And now we have all our cake pops and we are ready to decorate. As you can see, I left a couple of them which I would like to cover with a drizzle, but first I need to make a piping bag. If you do not have piping bags at home, you can always improvise. I am using parchment paper and just folding a triangle and rolling it into a cone like this. And then when you get to the end, you just tuck it in, and that will secure it in place. I am going to show you how to make chocolate decorations. I got these from a packet of cheese actually, and it works perfectly. So you can use any sort of plastic and it will come right off. You can also use parchment paper and it will come right off as well. So there we have it. Our pops are ready and they look amazing. I made these chocolate decorations to put as toppers on a few of the pops. So we are just going to apply them, and we will just use chocolate to put them on. Just 1 drop of chocolate is enough and it will attach. These toppers are not difficult to make. I will make another tutorial on how to make chocolate decorations. So please subscribe if you haven't. Our cake pops are finally ready and they are beautiful and yummy. If you have kids, I would recommend hiding them because they will disappear very quickly. You can put it in a bag and wrap a pretty bow and give it to someone as a present. There are so many designs you can do with the chocolate, so just have fun with it, experiment and see what you like, what looks good to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and see you next time.